Okay then guys, welcome back to the Plushie hair series. It's been a while since I've done one of these, but I've had this one on my list for a while. So here is a tutorial for how to make curls, so like curled up. For example, Juvia from Fairy Tale. Here we are, we have her here. She is the perfect example for curled up hair. What I've got here is I've got this 3mm thick blue felt. So this is my go-to felt for pretty much any hair. It's wonderful stuff. So I bought two sheets of this. What you start off doing is just by cutting long strips. Use up that whole sheet just full of these rectangle strips, and then you can start pinning down the rectangle strips straight down onto the head. Then you need to get the bottom of it and just start to curl it upwards, twizzle it upwards, and then pin it to her face on the length that you would like it to be at. Once you're happy with all of the strips, you need to take them off with the pins still pinning the curls in place, and you need to ladder stitch curl to the strip. Okay, ta-da! So there we go, there's all your strips now with the curls stuck to them. So what you do now is you just pin all your strips back down onto the head just to see what it looks like. Now, you could be happy with it like this, but if you're like me and you're not really happy with it, here's what you do next. So with your other sheet of this blue, you then need to cut out some more strips, which is the same size of all the different strips that you've got already pinned down. So what you need to do is that you need to position these underneath the curls that you've already got there. So pin them as low as you can, and you just need to then wrap them over the curls you've already got, which then basically creates a thicker and bigger curl. As you can see here, just pin that down onto the other curl. Repeat. Basically, once you've done that, you then need to take everything off again, and you then need to sew on that curl to the edge of the strip again. So basically the exact same thing that I did first time, just with a new layer underneath. So when you start gluing, the first thing you're going to want to do is glue the end of the strip that you've put over the top of the curl. You want to glue that straight down to the strip above it so that it doesn't come flying away. It makes it easier for you. It's there in place, and then you can glue the whole strip down without like the underneath strip getting in the way. And then you just continue going around the whole head, gluing down all the different strips, being as neat as you can. Be careful not to burn yourself because it really hurts. So yeah, just go ahead and glue all of the strands down. So yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to do curled up hair. It's perfect for characters like Juvia. It's so fun to do. It was such a unique hairstyle. I absolutely loved this style of hair for Juvia. It was so cool. So yeah, I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you very much for watching. You can check out all of my behind the scenes stuff on my Instagram and my Facebook page. This Juvia plushie was made for my stall. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.